Now let's make this easy salad dressing. I have some mustard, parsley. If you don't have fresh parsley, use dry parsley. I'm going to use this lemon, a little bit of juice from that, black pepper, pinch of salt, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, also some garlic cloves, about 2 or 3. So I've just peeled my garlic. I'm gonna need some juice of this lemon. We have enough juice. So just half of the lemon. And I'm going to grate my garlic in it. Grate garlic. Chop it if you want. Bit of grated garlic here. Careful. I'm just going to be very careful here. Put it on the side. Now I'm going to add a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of salt here. Also some parsley. Some mustard, teaspoon of mustard, some olive oil. I'm just going to use this cover. Cover and shake. Give it a good shake. Make sure it all mixed. Okay. Look at it. That's good. All well mixed, well shaked.